এই কে যখন একলা পাবো সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে তখন হবে আ, আদারওয়াইজ its pronunciation will be a. Dear viewers, today I will take my session on English pronunciation. ইংরেজি বর্ণের উচ্চারণের ক্ষেত্রে যে সকল বর্ণগুলো আমরা পূর্বে ভুল উচ্চারণ করতাম আজকে আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করব ওই সকল বর্ণগুলো নিয়ে। So, dear friends, all of you practice with me. The first letter A. Don't say A. A বলতে পৃথিবীতে কোনো কিছুই নেই, forget it. এই কে যখন আমরা কোন সেন্টেন্সে পাবো আর্টিকেল হিসেবে at that time it will be a. অন্যভাবে আমরা বলতে পারি এই কে যখন একলা পাবো সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে তখন হবে আ, আদারওয়াইজ its pronunciation will be a. Okay, just tell with me. A. Then F. For pronouncing F, you should use upper teeth and lower lip. F. Fine. Famous. Fantastic. Focus. Formula. F. J. Don't say Z. It will be Z. Then K. Don't say K. From today, you will say K. Key. Kite. Kitchen. Kingdom. King. K. P. For pronouncing P, you should use upper lip and lower lip. But in the time of pronouncing this letter, you should give extra pressure of wind. That will be like pa, pay, pen. কলম অর্থে যখন আমরা বলবো at that time its pronunciation will be pen. আর যখন ফাঁকা হবে and it will start with F, it will be pen. Then Q. Don't say Q. Queen. Quiet. Q. Quilt. Quantity. Q. R. T. Don't say T. There will be a sound like T sound. T. 2. 10. 12. Tension. Ticket. Tomato. Tense. T. V. For pronouncing V and F, you should use same organs of articulation. These are upper teeth and lower lip. Upper teeth and lower lip. F, V, V, van, van, very, very, value, value, vision, vision, television, V. So what is the difference between B and V? For pronouncing book, the letter will be B and organs will be upper lip and lower lip. B, book, but V, upper teeth and lower lip. Very, van, V. For pronouncing vocabulary, we are getting both B. The first letter is V and it will be voca, voca, and the next one is B, bulary, bulary, vocabulary, vocabulary, V, W, Z. Z or Z both are correct. So there are some letters which is quite same in pronunciation, but there are some difference. These are P, F, B, V. P এবং F দিয়ে যদি আমরা একটা ওয়ার্ড বলি তাহলে ওটা হবে এরকমই, যেমন perfect. For pronouncing perfect, we are getting these two letters. Far. Far বলার সময় P. Far. Then fact. F. Fact. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, now tell with me once again. A, F, F, J, 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 K, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 T, 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 V, 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 W, and Z. Z or Z both are correct. Okay, dear friends, all of you will practice the letters like this way. If you can pronounce these letters in this way, inshallah, your pronunciation will be changed from the previous time almost 80%. So, all of you do practice in this way. See you in the next session. Allah Hafiz.